Hi everybody, in this video we will look at another common question about direct proportion in maths. So let's use this example here to illustrate. So in this example, we have a variable y that is directly proportional to the cube of x. And when this value of x is halved, what is the change in the value of y? So first, let's try to establish the relation between y and x. So we can write it as like y equals to a constant k times x to the power 3 or x cubed. Then I'll define a few variables to make solving this question a bit easier. So the first one would be x1, which is our original value of x. And y1, which is the original value of y. Okay, then we have x2, which is the new value of x. And this new value of x is actually half the value of the original value of x, or half of x1. And y2 would be the new value of y. And this is the value of y that we are trying to find when x is halved. Okay. So first, let's try to write this expression y2 over y1. Okay. And this is equals to, for the numerator, it will be the constant k times x2 to the power of 3. And for the denominator, it will be the same constant times x1 to the power of 3. And since the constant in the numerator and denominator is the same, okay, we can cancel it off. So this simplifies into y2 over y1 equals to x2 over x1 bracket to the power of 3. And we will label this as equation 1. Okay, next let's try to establish the relation between x2 and x1. So x2, which is the new value of x, is half of the original value of x. So x2 equals to half times x1. So then we'll try to bring this x1 here to the left. So it becomes x2 over x1 equals to half. And we call this equation 2. So the reason why we are trying to do this is because if you see in the original equation 1, there's this expression x2 over x1. Okay, and now in equation 2, there's also this x2 over x1 as well, and this is equals to half. So what we can do is next we can replace this x2 over x1 in equation 1 with the value of half. Okay, so let's do that right now. So now we are going to substitute equation 2 to equation 1. Okay. So y2 over y1 now equals to half to the power of 3. Okay. And we will simplify this into y2 over y1 equals to 1 over 8. And then we're going to bring the y1 over. So y2 equals to 1 over 8 of y1. Okay, so what this means here is that our new value of y, which is y2, okay, is about 12.5% of the original value of y. So what this means is that there's a decrease in 87.5%, okay, of the value of y. So that's the answer to this question, a decrease in 87.5% of the value of y. If you find this video helpful, do consider liking and sharing this video, and do consider subscribing to this channel. And drop me a comment to let me know what content you'd like to see in this channel. See you in the next video.